At Phoenix Aviation, we attribute our successful safety record to our top flight in-house maintenance program, which enables us to maintain our aircraft to the highest standards of quality and workmanship. As a result, the safety of our operation is second to none.
The maintenance organization is an approved facility, approved by the CAA. We actually update ourselves on the fleet we are maintaining. That could be a Citation jet, a KingAir, or a Caravan, or an engine type, no matter which one it is, but it has to be within the approval scope. So as a company, we are actually updated on a regular basis, from documentation from the manufacturers, from trainings that we do, to stay current with whatever changes there are in the form of the fleet and the regulations.
It is hard to understate the importance of a well-maintained aircraft. It's safer, it's more reliable, there are fewer costly problems. That's why it's essential to work with a maintenance facility known for its highly qualified team of technicians and specialists.
Our biggest function is to make sure that all the aircrafts are serviceable and safe. Our aircraft must be able to perform any time of the day. So we have to have the airplane available at a call.
Phoenix Aviation has an in-house aircraft repair and maintenance team known for their careful attention to quality and workmanship. Moreover, our extensive experience in numerous factory certifications enable us to identify and resolve problems quickly, which translates to less downtime and lower operating costs.
We have certifications from neighboring countries, and we are able to give this service to both private and commercial aircraft owners for their safety and for their maintenance.
We have a program, an in-house program in maintenance, which starts at the HR level. We induct people who have finished their basic training in school. So what we do is we actually induct them through a training program that we have, but the idea is to mentor them into positions as they come along in the company.